Do you want to learn how to overlay pictures in your stories? Today I'm going to show you 3 specific business stories, and I'm going to open up my phone and go through the tutorial of how I overlay pictures to shout out teammates, how to share tastefully about your products, and how to build your social proof. If you want to know more ways to talk about your business and your stories, pop on over to Create Stories That Sell. It's my private free Facebook group where I am talking stories all week long. If you don't know me, my name is Steph and I love helping small business owners grow their influence and their profits online using social media strategies that actually work. Now let's dive into this tutorial.
Okay, so I'm going to pop open Facebook and then hit the Create Story button. And then here, first, let me show you how to do a shout out your teammate story. So this is the picture that I picked to do this because she just hit super affiliate. And so I want to honor Michelle. And so you can see I'm just resizing the picture to fit exactly how I want. And then, because I want to leave space at the top, because that's where our name goes. So now I'm going to hit the sticker button in the upper right hand corner. And then I am going to hit this circle button that has the picture on it. And that is how you're going to be inserting other pictures to overlay pictures. So I'm going to hit that. And then with that, it's going to pop open my camera roll. Okay, so here is a picture of Michelle, and she just hit the super affiliate rank. Now, the cool thing is if you tap the picture, it's going to change the style. So that makes it a square, then a circle, and triangle, heart, and then back to normal. For this one, I want it to be a circle because I am going to cover the company name. I don't believe in mentioning my company name online. I believe in creating curiosity. For more on this, check out my video on why I leave my company name off. You can also, if you want to work with me, you can check out my video on tapestry. Okay, so it's a really cool affiliate opportunity. So I'm just going to position her face right over the name of the company. So that just makes it super simple. I love creating within the Facebook app itself. There's not a lot of need to use other apps at times. Same with Instagram. Okay, now I'm going to hit the circle button again. And I want to grab my Bitmoji. I use my Bitmoji a lot. Super easy. I had just saved this from the Bitmoji app. So if we pop over to Bitmoji, it's this app here with the smiley face. You can type anything. So like for instance, say I wanted to grab hilarious. This doesn't really fit this story, but I just save it to my phone. I'm here. I go back. I hit the circle button. And you can see it pops up, and then it saves it without the background. So that's really cool. Now, I don't need this one because I have the other one, so I'm going to trash it. But for this one, I just want to cause attention to her. And then I'm going to hit this button again. Let's tag her so she can add it to her story. You can see, you can swipe this on to allow it to add them to their story. So I'm going to just grab her name, make it clear here. Okay, now let's add a GIF. And let's type in, great work, grab that one, make it look like a sticker. So it's just going to add a little bit of movement. And then I want to write something. So congrats
on your promotion and let's see, qualifying for 50% bonus check matching bonuses every month.
Because that's pretty huge. Because we get check matching bonuses. So I'm going to size that down. So it says, congrats on your promotion and qualifying for 50% check matching bonuses every month. And then I can save this if I want to post it someplace else. And I can just hit share to story button. And so this is a great way of how you can overlay pictures to shout out a teammate. Let me show you how to talk about your products in your stories. So I'm just going to insert a black background, and now I want to start overlaying some pictures. So say you sell workout clothes, so let's grab this one. Okay, because look at that back. Isn't that cool? Okay, and then let's grab another one. Okay, here's another one that is simpler. Okay, now you can see I just squared these. So they're both the same size, okay? So I'm going to position one down here. I'm going to position one up here. And then I am going to write Which sports bra do you like best? Because people love sharing their opinions. Let's do that. Let's take out the background. Which sports bra do you like best? So it's a fun way to talk about your product without like talking about your product. And then let's insert another picture. Might as well insert Bitmoji again because that's kind of fun. So let's size that down. And then let's do the poll button. Hit the space bar to get rid of the text at the top. And then we're going to write simple back, detailed back, because we're wanting to highlight that we have both options, okay? So you could be selling both options. And then I like to add, it's one of my hacks, something behind the poll button. And let's add that in again. So that way it's drawing attention to where people should hit the button. Okay. So, and then make this as large as possible. All right. So there we would just hit the save button and then share to story. To post that in your story. So it's kind of like a this or that post. Which sports bra do you like best? Do you like the simple back or the detailed back? And people can share their opinion. And so that's another really cool way, just how to use the overlay story button. Okay, now let's build your social proof. So here is a colored background that I want to use, and then I am going to hit the circle sticker button again. And then here is a testimonial that someone shared. And it says, what Steph teaches applies to any type of social media marketing. I joined for help with an MLM, but apply lots of the strategies to marketing our purebred cattle. Pretty diverse products, but the strategies work on both. I'm a PAC member and have done Secrets of Social. Strongly, highly, without reservation, recommend both. So this is a really great testimonial to share with people. So let me hit the sticker button again. And then let's see if I have a Bitmoji I want to use. And then there we go. There's the one I want. So we'll center this at the bottom. See how cool that looks, just the overlay. And you can, again, do this all just within Facebook really quickly. Okay, so let's write, that's cool. And then over here, let's write, love the feedback. And then we're going to put this over here just to kind of angle it. And then let's tag Jan. It's always nice when you can show that these are real people, right? And I recommend getting, of course, their permission. Love the feedback. Jan. And then let's do just a GIF of some sort of arrow. And then all we would do would hit share story again. So that was one third way that you could talk about your business in your stories, overlaying pictures. So I inserted the Bitmoji, I inserted the social proof testimonial quote that I had just taken by a screenshot. And now I'm going to click share to story. And there it goes.
Super cool, huh? And that's how to overlay pictures in your stories. If you're not in the Create Stories That Sell Facebook group, pop on over and join us so you can learn some more marketing tips. I also have a 5-day challenge called Create Stories That Sell, where you can learn how to share about your business without coming off spammy, how to be consistent in your stories, my top 10 stories hacks to increase your views, engagement, and boost your sales online. If you got some value today, leave me a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe. And I'll be back next week with another new video. In the meanwhile, check out either of these videos that pop up on the screen. They're here to help you win on social media.